Welcome to our Buy Bet Guide. The Buy Bet in craps is a wager that allows you to increase your potential winnings by betting on a specific number to be rolled before a 7. These numbers are the 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. In land-based casinos, the bet is usually placed over the number you are betting on. To mark it properly, the dealer will put a buy chip over your wager. At some online craps tables, the bet can be placed in the upper region of the table, right next to the lay bet. It's important to understand that buy bets require you to pay a premium in exchange for better odds. This means you'll need to wager the correct numbers under the right circumstances. For example, if you place a buy bet on the number 4, you're essentially betting that the next roll will be a 4 before a 7 is rolled. Buy bets are similar to place bets, but with a crucial difference. When making a buy bet, you're required to pay a 5% commission, also known as a VIC, on your bet amount. This commission ensures that the casino maintains an edge. It's important to note that buy bets are not active on the come-out rolls unless you specifically request them. On some numbers, they do offer better odds than place bets, making them an attractive option for many players. To begin, inform the dealer that you want to place a buy bet on a specific number. You can even buy multiple numbers simultaneously, like the 4 and 10. Once you've chosen your numbers, place your buy bet amount in the come bet area of the table. Remember, you'll also need to include a 5% VIG, which usually means paying $1 as the VIG for every $20 you wager. On some craps tables, you can pay the VIG on winnings instead of paying it up front. In this case, the house edge will vary depending on the numbers you are betting on. The dealer will then move your buy bet to the respective number you've chosen and collect the VIG. Now you are all set to play your buy bets and potentially receive higher payouts when your chosen number is rolled. Buy bets offer you complete control before each roll. You can call your buy bets off or on, make new buy bets, or take down existing ones. Additionally, you have the flexibility to adjust your wager amount and the corresponding VIG. In land-based craps, for VIGs to be paid easily, a minimum of $20 is recommended because the 5% VIG of $20 equals $1. When playing online, the VIGs and payouts can be calculated more easily, and you can even bet lower than $20. Let's discuss the payouts and house edge associated with buy bets in craps. When buying the 4 or the 10, you will receive 2-to-1 payouts, which are better than the 9-to-5 payouts received on place bets. Keep in mind that the buy bets come with the added cost of the VIG. Let's say you put a $20 buy bet on the number 4. You will receive $40, from which you subtract the $1 VIG, resulting in a $39 profit. In comparison, for the same bet amount, a place bet would score you just $36, so the buy bet is more profitable. When buying the 5 or the 9, you will receive 3-to-2 payouts, rather than the 7-to-5 payouts on place bets. Again, you must take into consideration the VIG on the buy bets. As an example, for a $20 buy bet on the number 5, you will receive $30, from which you subtract the $1 VIG, resulting in a $29 profit. For the same bet value, the place bet would score you just $28, again lower than the buy bet. When buying the 6 or the 8, it's generally advised to place bet instead of buy bet for these numbers. Even though the buy bets on 6 or 8 offer 6-to-5 payouts, which are slightly better than the 7-to-6 payouts on place bets, you must take into account the VIG. For example, a $20 buy bet on the 6 will reward you $24, from which you subtract the $1 VIG, resulting in a $23 profit. Here, a place bet on the same amount would award you $23.33, a little higher than the buy bet. Remember that you must pay the VIG on all buy bets. To summarize, buy bets offer the potential for higher payouts than place bets, but they come with the added cost of the VIG. It's essential to consider whether the increased payout justifies the additional expense. The house edge for buy bets is different depending on the numbers you place the bet on and whether the VIG is collected upfront or only on wins. By implementing these strategies, you can make the most of your buy bets and potentially increase your winnings in the game of craps. Here are some expert tips to help you maximize your buy bets in craps. Take advantage of buy bets, particularly if you're the shooter, and can influence the outcome of the dice rolls. Consider buying the 4 and 10 consistently, as they tend to yield better results. If the VIG is collected only on wins, buying the 5 and 9 can be a profitable strategy. It's worth exploring ways to minimize the VIG on your bets. For instance, you may be able to place bets between $20 and $39 to avoid paying the extra dollar of VIG on a $40 buy bet. Making buy bets correctly can significantly boost your chip count and should be part of your craps strategy. Remember, sometimes there's a minimum bet requirement of $20 for all buy bets, ensuring fairness and preventing exploitation. We hope this instructional video has provided you with valuable insights into buy bets in craps. Remember to have fun and make informed decisions when playing the game.